Proceed from exercise 5.3. In first question, can you explain why the converse of theorem 4 is true? Why does the perpendicular from the center of the circle or to the chord to the circle bisect the chord? This is one type of circle, a chord AB. CM is perpendicular and make 90 degree in CMA and CMB. In a triangle CMA and triangle CMB, angle CMA equal to angle CMB is equal to 90 degree. CA is equal to CB radius and CM equal to CM is common. So we can say that triangle CMA and triangle CMB is congruent by RHS rule. Now proceed from another question. Question number 2. An isosceles triangle ABC in inscribed in a circle with AB is equal to AC, so that the altitude from the A to BC passes through the center of the circle. This is one circle. I have called BC. O is the center and A is outside of center, and this is M. O is the center of the circle. AM is perpendicular to BC, and AB is equal to AC. AB equal to AC in triangle given दिया है AB is equal to AC. In triangle ABC is isosceles, so BM is equal to MC. So BM equal to MC. On that condition, we can say that AM is perpendicular to BC. So the midpoint of the chord is also perpendicular. So hence O lies on AM. Therefore, the altitude from the A to BC is passes through the center of circle. This is all about of chapter 2. Now proceed to question number 3. The question number 3 is the two parallel chord of length 6 cm and 8 cm or the opposite side of the center of the chord, center of circle, the radius of 5 cm. Find the distance between the midpoint of the chord. Again, this is very important and very easy question. Suppose this is one type of circle. This chord is 6 cm. This chord is 8 cm. This is origin and this is radius is 5 cm. Using the formula, D is the distance of two chord equal to R square minus chord by 2 all square. D1 equal to under root 5 minus 6 upon 2 का होल स्क्वायर. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे कितना आ रहा है आंसर इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. अगेन D2 इक्वल टू R का स्क्वायर मतलब 5 का स्क्वायर, R स्क्वायर मतलब 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस कॉड, यहाँ कॉड क्या होगा 8 अपॉन 2 का होल स्क्वायर. इसका आंसर कितना आ रहा है, इसका आंसर इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. बोथ 3 and 4 इक्वल टू 7 centimeter is the distance between 2 points. Again, this is theorem number 6. In this theorem, the chord of circle passes through the same length all at the same distance from the center of circle. Given क्या दिया, AB is equal to FG, AB is equal to FG GF. ठीक है, ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल है, प्रूफ करना है. CE is equal to सी एच। कितना आसान था, इससे पहले थ्योरम था सेम उसी तरह प्रूव करना, कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें। बेसिकली सी ई इक्वल टू सी एच जो है क्या है, मिड पॉइंट है, और क्या मिड पॉइंट प्रूव करना है। कॉर्ड दोनों सेम होंगे, रेडियस तो सेम होना ही है, तो मिड पॉइंट ऑटोमेटिक में आएगा कॉन्ग्रुएंट